Google Flow Scene Builder tutorial. Come on Google Flow, click here on a new project. Then click here on this plus, and then click here on create a scene. Now here you can create scenes from the videos and photos that you already uploaded, or from the videos and photos that you already created, or photos and videos that you will just upload. Now what you need to do, you need to either give it a prompt here, or you can simply click here on this plus, and then here you can either upload videos and photos, or you can use videos and photos that you already uploaded or that you already created. So as you can see here, today I don't have any photos and videos created or uploaded. So I can simply click here and I can choose yesterday. And here you can see yesterday I created this video. So I will simply click here, add to scene. And now I have this video that I created yesterday as a scene, as a one scene. And I can edit this scene any way I want. So I simply need to click here, and this is the video that I created yesterday. And now I can edit this video if I want to change something. Now I made this video by using Omni Flash, and that means I have to edit this video again by using only Omni Flash. So for example, I will give it this prompt. Make this guy in the video wear a blue shirt and not a black one. Here you can see in the video this guy wears a black t-shirt. So I wish this guy to wear a blue t-shirt now. So I will simply click here, and now Google Flow will make this guy wear a blue t-shirt. Just give it a few seconds to process this. Okay, Google Flow finished, and let's just see. As you can see, now this guy wears a blue t-shirt, not the black t-shirt. See, let's say, for example, I wish to add another video to this same scene. So I need to simply click here on this plus, and then click here on add a clip. And I can choose one of the previous dates. Let's say, for example, this one, and I can simply click here, add to scene. Now this video will be added to this scene. Now, if you wish to add more videos to this scene, you can also simply go back here, and you can click here on a new project, and you can create a new video from the videos, from the text, from the ingredients, or simply from the image. You can create that video, and then you can simply click here on scenes, and you can add that scene, okay? And after you finish everything, just save that scene, and you can later download that scene to your computer. So this is a Google Flow Scene Builder tutorial.